Miniat's protein solutions are custom crafted to your specific requirement, from the cut of meat, blend of seasonings, and portion size, to the culinary attributes, packaging, and delivery. Every detail is determined specifically for your recipe, your operation, and ultimately your customer. We'll work with you to create an exciting new flavor profile or replicate your gold standard recipe. Each protein is sous-vide cooked for tender and delicious results and delivered to you fresh or frozen in a variety of available formats. You may choose to use your Miniat protein cold or heated as is or as a component in your recipe. From minimal preparation for salads, tacos, and sandwiches to finishing in-house on a grill, plancha, or wok, we will make sure your protein fits your menu's needs. Since each custom crafted protein is perfectly prepared for your specification, you'll be able to deliver a consistent result across your restaurant, food service, or CPG operation. Utilizing pre-cooked proteins also provides operational benefits to your back of house. Eliminating raw meat significantly enhances food safety measures, while also addressing the growing challenge of kitchen staffing and training. Whether your protein requirement is a simple side dish or a complex center plate entree, Miniat will help you evolve your operation with proteins that bring you versatility, efficiency, and food safety. Miniat custom crafted protein solutions.